Hey, what's going on, guys? Great news, and hopefully this video will help you if you have not received your stimulus check payment yet. I have finally received mine. My brother and his wife, they received theirs almost a month ago, and if you haven't received yours, again, I'm hoping this video will help. So, make a long story short, H&R Block, I filed my taxes through them in 2018 due to the situation, and they pushed taxes back for the year 2019. I have not filed mine yet. I thought that was the issue, and I was like, man, what's going on? Anyway, finally, the IRS website, I will link this in the description box below. They fixed their portal, and you tap this. Again, you go to this link. This is the IRS website, and you go right here, get my payment right here. This is to update the IRS with your banking information. It says this is a US only website. I will link my video down below because you're going to have to input your adjusted gross income for the last year and the proper address as well, whatever year you filed in. So if you have not filed your 2019, go off the address you lived at and filed with for 2018 and so on for 2019. The address has to be correct. Your social as well, your zip code. Do not include the city or state, and there's directions when you click these little boxes here. You input your adjusted gross income. Again, that video I will also link below. I go into a little bit more detail about that. This is just a summary. After this is in, you hit continue. You update your banking information with your routing and checking account number. You submit it, and then that led me to a page where it said we will let you know when your payment's going to be deposited. Well, according to my last video, if you guys have stayed in tune with this, I submitted that April 24th. 8 days later, I got another update when I checked this website. Nothing regarding an email or anything like that. I had to go back to this website every day, once a day, because they update their systems once a day. So 8 days later, they finally told me that they were going to deposit it on the 6th, and I think that was back on May 1st, I think, or so, ballpark, somewhere around there. Anyway, they said they were going to deposit it May 6th, and lo and behold, I've taken a screenshot because I didn't want my banking information on the internet. But anyway, this is the screenshot from my account, my checking account, where I put my info in on the IRS website, and they deposited exactly when they said they were going to deposit it. 5/6, May 6, IRS Treasury. I scribbled that out. I don't know if that's referred to just me, rather not that be on the internet, but $2,400. It is not in posted transactions yet. It's still in pending, but the money is actually in my balance already. And then this will probably cycle out. You guys kind of know the banking thing. Like 24 hours later, it'll cycle to posted. But this right here, this deposit is reflected in my balance, which is good. So they lived up to their word. They paid me my money when they told me they were going to pay my money. And so if you have not received yours yet, please go to this website, update your banking information so they can pay you. It's going to take a week, 8 days later to get a deposit day, and then they will, God willing, pay you when you're supposed to get paid. They did myself. Thumbs that video up, guys, if it has helped you. Again, those videos with the more detail about your adjusted gross income, where to find that on your tax form, that video will be in the description box below as well. Subscribe on your way out, guys. God bless you. Stay safe. Have a great day. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.